Hello everyone. So in my last video, my friend Jeff did my makeup and he was trying to recreate this picture right here. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Alright, I did my eyebrows already. Obviously they're fucking bold as hell. And then my face and stuff like that. So we're just gonna get right into the eyes. Alright, so I'm first gonna start off with the Bretman Rock and ColourPop Lit palette. And we're gonna go into the shade Period. I also don't even know why they put like a T at the end of it, cause like you don't say the T. Period. Like
just say period.
I'm gonna go in with this Sigma E70. It's a medium angled shading brush. I'm gonna go into Period. Grab the Sigma E40 and just blend out those edges. Alright, when that's all blended out, I'm gonna go to the shade next to it called Light. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna do that and put it in the same exact spot, just a little bit underneath and not as much either. A little bit and then blend it. These shadows blend really nicely actually. Alright, now in the James Charles palette, I'm going to go into this purple shade here called Single. I'm just going to go in with the same brush because we're done using it, so why not? And I feel like it'll help blend the colors a little bit more. Who knows? I'm just gonna pack this shade like kind of down too, because in the picture it shows it down more like that. So I'm just gonna do it like that. And then I'm going to go into the darker purple shade next to it called Escape, and I'm going to, in the same brush, and go in with that as well. Alright, now we're gonna be bold and brash, and we're gonna put we're gonna hop in with some black. So we're gonna go into Spooky in the James Charles palette. Now I'm kind of scared for this. TBH. Why not? Life's all about risks. So we got just like a little bit on the brush, right? And then put it right in the corner where we put that dark purple. Just a little bit, you know, to get that effect. Make sure to blend that out so it looks nice and neat. So now it's time to cut the crease. I'm going to go into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in Fair Beige. Just taking a flat edge Morphe brush and putting the concealer on there. I'll make sure there's an even distribution.
So let's cut this crease, honey.
Alright, so my crease is cut. I'm gonna take this kind of fluffy brush and go into flashback, and really pack that on there. Alright, then I'm going to go back into that brush that we put all the purples and stuff in, and I'm just going to blend that into the white here. Okay, so the eyeshadow is complete. I really like the way it came out. I'm just gonna do eyeliner, put on some lashes probably, take a lip, and then we're done. I'm gonna use Alien Tears by Jeffree Star, and I'm just gonna put that on my lips. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I like it a lot. I'm about to go out and strap my stuff, you know. Be sure to check out this look on my Instagram page at Pro Makeup by Elizabeth. The link will be down below, and also follow my Facebook page at I don't know, Pro Makeup by Elizabeth, I guess. I don't know. They'll all be down below in the description. Yeah, please subscribe, share if you can. It really helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.